Hi everyone, it's Olivia. Welcome to Eitan's YouTube channel. Here's Eitan.
Hey! Eitan Bernath in the kitchen. So today I'm really excited. We are reversing the roles.
That's right.
And instead of me teaching one of my friends, my amazing culinary producer Olivia.
Also your friend.
And friend
Thank
will
you.
be teaching me something. So, can you please tell me what we're making today? Because I have a little anxiety about this.
Yes, you are going to make a baked Alaska.
Never had one of those.
No?
I've seen it on television, I think.
Do you know what it is?
Cake, ice cream, and there's like fire involved.
You're gonna have ingredients measured. I have done that work for you, and I'm gonna tell you almost nothing else to do.
Great.
You'll have a few phone a friend moments.
I will do that.
And I won't let you light your apartment on fire, otherwise I'm gonna barely help you.
All right, shall we get all the stuff?
We shall.
I feel uncomfortable.
What are you doing with your hands right now?
It's my uncomfortable pose.
Okay, here we go.
Well, I'm gonna take a wild guess how we need to use this.
Yeah.
So, my guess over here is that we're going to cover.
I'm gonna start helping you immediately,
Thank you.
just like I said I
Yes,
would.
thank you. We're gonna
Perfect.
phone a friend right away.
Yeah.
All right, my guess is that we're going to line this with this because I cannot even imagine how challenging that would be to take the ice cream out of here
Very
if you
proud.
don't do that.
Very proud.
I'm gonna start with my ice cream. I'm going to pour this one in here. Ooh, I believe that we are gonna have to probably freeze this because if I put that on there, it's gonna mix.
Proud.
And knowing you, you like things to be in even layers.
Yes.
So I will be putting this in the freezer.
Shall I get the freezer for you?
Yes, I'll phone a friend on the freezer opening.
right.
Place that in there. And we're just gonna get that to firm up a little bit.
How long?
It's like 5 minutes. 5 to 10, 15. As many minutes as Olivia does to make a face when I remove it from the freezer.
Yes.
All right, I'm now going to take this out.
Okay.
And as you see, it's a little less jiggly, which is what we want, so we're gonna work very quickly.
It is less jiggly?
That's what I'm telling myself. Then we are going to...
Optimistic.
Oh! Don't look.
See, the Crocs give me an inch on you, so I can see.
That's true. And then we're gonna put it back
awry.
into the freezer, and we're gonna let it firm up again.
Okay. Now we wait.
We wait. Now the final layer.
How's it looking to you?
It looks beautiful.
Okay.
Yep, that's really I really believe that you think it's good.
You know,
Oh.
Nice Olivia's gone.
She's gone?
Yes, she's still
Nice
gone.
Olivia's dead.
She's closing her eyes and looking away from what you've done.
Back into the freezer. We're gonna let this freeze. Okay, so I guess we're making a pistachio cake.
Correct.
Because there's pistachios here.
Correct.
I'm gonna blend them because I don't want to chop them.
Great.
So this is what I'm thinking. I'm now going to take the mixer, not mixer, food processor. I'm going to add those into there. I am now going to blitz that up, and now, there you go.
You're nailing it. Pistachio butter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, we have this. I'm gonna guess that I don't need this now.
Okay.
And I need some type of hand mixer,
Uh-huh.
which we...
How much cake are you making?
However much you measured out for me.
Great.
So I'm going to guess that we're going to cream the butter. Okay, mix this together. See, this is like kind of like a cookie process over here.
Just a little bit of mess?
Like, yep. Now we're gonna add in the egg white.
Right.
Oh, the extracts. The extracts, I think, are next, is my guess. Now, if you want me to know how much of each to put in, I'm gonna do a nice capful of each.
The old capful.
The old cap. All right, we have some almond extract in there. Now, see, Olivia made a look when I was about to add this in, but I've decided to take the authority. I'm gonna do it anyways.
Good. It's your show.
Yep,
You're in charge.
show. I'm in charge,
Yep.
even if I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna add that in. Then we're also going to add in our milk into there. A little bit of milk. Whisk that up. Now, okay, over here I'm gonna guess is either all-purpose or cake flour. And in there, I'm going to add in what looks like baking soda, baking powder. No, okay.
Ooh.
Little
musical.
Yes. Then we're going to add in that. Okay, so let's whisk that up. These are my
tidy.
thoughts.
Okay.
These are my thoughts.
Hit me.
I have these 3 components.
Yep.
And the thing I know about flour from baking that I've learned from you is that you really do not want to mix it too much, especially for a cake. You want it to be tender. So I'm gonna first add in the...
Why does not mixing too much keep it tender?
Because then we won't make any gluten. So I'm gonna first fold in my pistachios, which will hopefully give us some nice color and flavor. Then I'm gonna add in my flour.
Yep.
All right, into there. And I'm just going to now fold that together until it comes together. While I'm doing this, did I do any of these steps right?
Some of them, yes. Quick questions for you.
Yeah.
In what are you baking this and at what temperature? Because I don't think any of that has happened.
Oh, let's preheat the oven. Okay.
You do have to cut a circle of parchment the correct way.
Yes. Oh my. Oh. Okay. So this is a fun little thing that Olivia's really good at. This falls very nicely.
It's like making a paper snowflake.
Yes. Okay. All right.
Beautiful. Half fold, exceptional. Quarter fold, excellent.
I'm putting a lot of effort into this. I hope you appreciate it. I hope the cameras appreciate it.
I'm narrating it.
Okay.
I'm your hype girl right now.
Okay.
All right, we'll see how she comes out. What do we have? Beautiful.
That's pretty circular.
I'm very proud.
It's just too big.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's try this again.
Beautiful.
Slightly oath. They make spray for baking that has some flour in it also, which Olivia taught me is very helpful when baking. This is stressful.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get that all
Look at
in
that.
there.
Look at the texture.
All right.
What oven temperature did you choose?
I chose 350.
Okay.
I feel like it's a nice medium temperature.
No, this will bake into something that is cake-like, looking very curdled.
I am no longer open for feedback on this. It's in the oven. It'll do its thing.
Turning my own line against me.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm going to pop this into the oven at 350. I'm going to check in on it in 20 minutes and then see how much longer I need to do. Now we wait. This recipe's a lot of like waiting.
We're gonna make meringue next.
Okay.
So tell me what kind of meringue you're making.
I'm just going to guess there's French and Italian.
Those are two types.
French buttercream, Italian buttercream, American buttercream. So I'm going to take a wild guess that that's what this is.
Okay.
I mean, this part I know. I'm just going to separate my eggs. So I'm going to add the whites into there. This I feel confident about. I'm good. All right, I'm just going to get my hands in here because this requires some hand work.
Okay.
Alrighty, so I have this here, and I'm going to add, there's a blender here, and
let's swap sides.
I am nearly 100% sure that is there to confuse me. Challenge not accepted.
You do need all of the equipment in front of you, except you just need one attachment for the KitchenAid.
I cannot even begin to understand why that is there.
You can't begin. Okay.
We're gonna make powdered sugar?
We're making superfine, which is halfway between granulated and powdered.
Okay, I thought you were gonna try to have me blend this up and then make a smoothie out of it and make me look stupid, but now I look stupid because that's not what we're doing. Okay,
no.
Superfine sugar, okay.
I'm here to teach you. I'm not here
Got
to make you look
okay.
stupid.
It's a learning experience, everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna add my sugar into here.
And why do we need superfine sugar for meringue?
The meringue is not like baked. It's not like meringue cookies, so there's no heat involved. So since we're gonna eat it probably like raw-ish on the outside, I bet the texture.
Very good.
Like a little tornado.
Wow.
I can't even explain to you how confused I was.
You really, I'm not gonna just give you the wrong stuff.
Okay,
That's
okay.
too far.
You would never set
It's
me
too
up
far.
for failure. Okay.
Only a little bit. Only if it's funny.
Deep
It's okay.
breaths. Now, I'll tell you this. I know enough about baking to know that I'm not using a dough hook to whip some egg whites.
Good.
That's a no. That is something that Cardi Bernath would do, not me.
That's right. This
Okay,
is
we're
here.
gonna add our egg whites right into there. Then I'm going to, Okay, a little fun fact about me and my baking experience.
Yeah.
Up until I was like 14, I did not believe in cream of tartar.
It's not a belief system. Tell me why baked tart's so important.
Yes, it's important because it stabilizes it and makes it better. So we're gonna add in,
Makes it better.
we're gonna add a little bit into there.
All right.
There we go. Okay, so that is gonna start beating. While that does, I'm going to grab this and just start very carefully adding it in. Alrighty, let's get the last little bit.
Can't wait for how this goes for you.
I'm gonna check on my cake.
Okay.
Not how I want it to look.
Shall I have a little
You want to make a look?
It looks like a green pancake.
Yeah. Oh,
There we
flavor. Okay. Okay.
go. Just stared at it hard enough until you noticed.
Yeah, I felt Olivia's energy just going like laser eyes there. And I was like, okay. I'll add in the. Alrighty. Okay. I'm feeling good about this.
Okay.
Oh yeah, for sure. Okay.
What you got?
stiff peaks.
Gorgeous.
So I guess we have to wait for this to finish baking, and then I think I know the next steps. I think we're gonna take the cake, cool it, ice cream on cake, flip it out. I want to use the word dress it, but that makes no sense. Then pipe on, or some type of way to put on the icing.
Icing? Dressing. What is this? What is this?
Meringue.
Yes.
Put that on there,
Uh-huh.
and then we will light it on fire.
Yeah.
Cool, calm, collected. Alrighty, I think it is now done.
You think you just intuit that it might be done?
I may off camera have done the old little toothpick test.
Ye old toothpick test.
Now, this little thing that I do know, this is way too hot.
I have some choice words about what this looks like. The edges of this are very dark and almost lacy, as if there were large chunks of pistachio that were cooked into it.
Why would there be that?
I think because they were under processed.
Oh, okay.
I thought this might happen. Do you want to see what it's supposed to look like?
Sure.
Great, I have one done. So this is what it's supposed to look like.
It has just occurred to me, you planned for failure.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
At least you know me well.
Yeah, I didn't deny that at all.
Okay.
Okay. So if you don't mind, we're gonna move forward with this one. And I'm doing this for everyone because now we're gonna eat this one and not yours.
Fine.
Now that this is unwrapped,
Your cake looks alright.
we're gonna do I will insist on a quick comparison, and then we can carry on with the recipe. It looks decent?
It does.
Okay. Look at those edges. It really is like an omelet. Okay.
I'm gonna take Olivia's cake, and I'm gonna place it on here. And I'm now going to, pop it out of there.
Yeah.
Peel that back. We're gonna do a little 3, 2, 1, smash!
Perfectly
Onto
centered.
there, yeah.
It's beautiful.
Voila! So I have my meringue over here. My thoughts are, what if I decorate half and you decorate the other half?
Sure.
A little fun fact about me is I'm usually not competitive. We'll do a timer.
Okay, so it's who can do it the fastest?
No, best within 4 minutes.
Okay.
And go. Lob number 1. Lob number 2.
What have you done in 30 seconds, Eitan?
Work.
We are officially out of meringue on this side.
Oh,
Yeah.
they're cute.
Okay. Oh, it's cute.
It is.
I think yours are cute.
I think Olivia's impressed.
That was definitely my impressed face. I'm gonna whip out the Jeopardy tune
Anything?
here.
Mine just farted.
It happens. Oh.
Little other technique.
Little other technique, just the old other side of the.
Am I ruining every camera angle potentially? Oh yes. Hello, A-Cam.
I'm gonna do a quick wash, and while I do that, I want you to tell me what this part's for.
Little hat.
Nope.
A little shot glass.
Kind of. It goes on the cake.
Oh, we'll just shove it in. Okay.
So this is like a tiny little shot glass that we will fill with bourbon, and then as it overflows and is on fire, the flambe will go evenly all over the whole.
So it's not a hat.
Yep. Okay, good. Thank you for testing that. What's your strategy there with the torch?
A little like circular motion. So my hand's
once
taken.
again, that's
do you want
my
to do your
fault.
side? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your technique?
I like golden brown versus burned. That's just a little bit about me.
So
Okay.
now my guess, we'll put a little bit in there. All right. Grab a ladle.
Moving very conflict for someone who has no idea what they're doing.
Yeah. Okay.
Spilled it.
Light this on fire.
Probably not gonna work, but you can try.
Light the stream on fire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
that's good.
oh, it's on
That's
fire.
good. That's good.
It's on
That's
fire.
good. That's good.
Dun did it on!
That's it.
Look at me. Look at us.
I'm genuinely super, super proud of
Our
you right
Alaska
now.
is being baked.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
That was a gorgeous flambe.
That's so fun. Oh my god, it's like the ultimate birthday cake.
Yes. I'm really proud of you and really impressed.
Thank you.
I'm gonna cut us a slice to share.
Give it a try. Wow.
Yum.
That sounds sarcastic. It actually looks good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah.
It's so
The
good.
smoky, like toasty the marshmallow with the frozen ice cream.
When you get everything together, it's very nice.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah. You did a great job with the ice cream. Putting the ice cream in the freezer.
That's
The part that I'm the most proud of.
Thank you. Look at that cross section in there. Thank you for teaching me how to make a baked Alaska.
You're so welcome.
They made all the emotions in this episode.
Yeah.
I was stressed. I was a little bit scared at moments.
Yeah, you were frightened. Which is
I
definitely what you want in the kitchen.
I was scared. Creative. It was a creative day.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hope you enjoyed being in my video. Thank you very much.
Very much.
And I know it's a challenge today not to help me. Professionally, you helped me in the kitchen.
So difficult not to.
Limiting that was a challenge. But if you enjoyed watching this video, then might I suggest you pre-order my cookbook, Eitan Eats the World, which is available for pre-order now everywhere books are sold and on EitanEatsTheWorld.com. Comes out May 3rd, 2022. If you want it, you can have a little piece of me in your kitchen. Do you think I should buy the book?
Yeah, they should buy the book.
They should pre-order.
I'll be buying the book.
Olivia will be pre-ordering.
I could get one for free, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna buy one.
She's gonna buy one. She will.
Yes.
That is what she will do after we finish eating.
Buy the book.
After the cake, though.
Cake, then book buying.
That's the plan.
That's the day.
That is it.
Yep.
Oh, hello.
There's your book.
Oh, hello. Okay, bye.